lot of rumors, of course, sparking. We're fine. We're totally fine.
Handa na ba kayong kiligin? Narito ang 10 pinaka-iconic kilig moments ni Liza Soberano at Enrique Hill na talagang tumatak sa puso ng fans. Tara na, balikan natin ang mga scenes na nagpasana all sa atin. Number 1, Forevermore First Kiss Scene. Of course, simulan natin sa pinaka-classic, ang first kiss sa Forevermore. Grabe, ang dami talagang napasigaw dito. Number 2, Dolce Amore Proposal. Sino ba naman ang di kinilig sa beach proposal scene ni Tenten kay Serena? Pure chemistry. Number 3, My Ex and Y's elevator scene. Ito, blockbuster kilig ang elevator scene sa My Ex and Y's. Nag-trending pa ito noon. Number 4, GGV interview. I love you reveal. At syempre, ang GGV moment kung saan umamin si Enrique ng I love you on air. Kilig overload. Number 5, random kiss ng dalawa. Syempre, hindi natin makakakimutan ang mga random kiss ng dalawa. Sa picture man or sa mga videos, maraming fans ang kilig to the max. Number 6, ASAP Dance Prod, super lapit moments. Mga ASAP live performances, lalo na pag may pa-slow dance at titigan. Hey, kinikilig na naman ako. Number 7, yung tinatawag ni Ken si Liza na my wife.
My family, my wife, thank you all for love and support. My wife.
Grabe, asawa na ang turing ni Ken kay Liza. O baka naman kasal na talaga sila? Number 8, clingy moments, kulitan ng dalawa. Ang cute nila pag nagkukulitan at ang sweet din lalo na kung may yakapan at malagkit na titig. Number 9, My Ex and Y's. Japan shoot, BTS. Supernatural ang Japan BTS scenes, makikita mo yung genuine na lambingan. Number 10, latest IG likes. Kahit ngayon, grabe pa rin ang kilig, lalo na nung nag-like si Liza sa post ni Enrique. Talagang forever Liz Ken. Ayan, ang 10 pinakakilig moments ng Liz Ken. Alin ang paborito mo? Comment below. At syempre, like, subscribe at click ang bell para sa more kilig Liz Ken videos. Hanggang sa susunod mga kachika.
That Ken and I broke up just because we weren't together on this trip. Just to clarify, no. It just so happened that at the same time as all the events that I had to do in the States, I went to the Golden Gala, I went to Identity Fest, and so much more. I also didn't want to miss up on these opportunities because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I'm not getting any younger. I really want to develop my craft, take lessons, become comfortable in being a little bit more independent. And so that's exactly what we're doing. Ken is very supportive of everything that I do. He knows everything that I'm doing every step of the way. As a matter of fact, we were video calling each other every day while we were in LA. We're loyal and everything. There's no need to like prove that to anyone else. So I didn't feel the need to.